morning. Nagpapasalamat ako first of all sa Poong May Kapal for the success of the Miss Earth Beachwear competition here in Borongan City. Napakahalaga ho sa amin ito dahil una, to increase the awareness how we will protect our environment, and then of course how to preserve it, and of course how to promote where Borongan is in the entire map of the country. Very thankful to the organizer of Miss Earth Philippines for trusting us in staging the beachwear competition in Borongan City. Pag-hold ng Miss Earth dito sa Borongan is related to sa vision ng City Government of Borongan on how to take good care of the natural resources. Kasi ito lang ang meron kami. And then pangalawa, paano namin ito maproprotektahan so that it can help us move forward and then be climate resilient as well in the future. Thank you to all of those who participated, those na tumulong and making this activity successful. Thank you to Carousel Production of Miss Earth Philippines and to our all candidates, and good luck to them. May the Lord bless them for more success dun sa mga gusto nilang mga gawain sa buhay. Thank you!